Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can run scripts in Fishit using Delta Executor. And the best part? It's keyless and works on both iOS and Android. No complicated key systems, no headaches, just a clean, simple setup that works across devices. As you can see on my iPhone, I've already got it running on my device, and I'm able to load up tons of different scripts that completely change the way you play. Whether you want to boost your gameplay, automate certain actions, or just have more fun with the game, these scripts give you a massive edge. With tools like this, you can seriously take over. So if you've been looking for a way to get started with scripting in Fishit, or you've been struggling with key systems before, this is the method you've been waiting for. The installation process is super easy, no technical skills needed. All you have to do is follow along with the video step by step. I'll guide you through the entire setup, show you how to get it running, and walk you through everything you need to know to get started today. So if you're ready to level up your experience, stay tuned and don't skip anything. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single step. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Delta Executor and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.